Hello YouTube, this is Bart.
Bad Wolf.
Back with more Tony Hawk Pro Skater.
Pro Skater
2.
Do you not have the camera on anymore?
No, I didn't plug it for the verses.
Uh,
We spent a lot of money.
to get him.
Amazing.
Yeah, he's pretty good now. I mean, he's got some shitty stuff here and there.
Whatever. Where are we going? Philadelphia. Phlipadelphia.
Oh, no, man.
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be real bad.
Oh, man, this is awful.
Let's find Charlie. Liberty Bells.
Circle you got a special name.
Just go.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
Plus. Dude.
Bruh.
Rough start to the episode. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. Fucking damn white ass. Fucking piece of shit.
You're a hero in the last episode.
God, now I'm just shitting
Now
money
you're-
bed.
Now you're a hero.
Dude.
From hero to zero.
Hey, Bart. I don't remember this stage, honestly.
This stage sucks. Oh man, the murder is about to be so real.
I did it apparently.
It's like, ding, you got it. Just kidding.
Okay.
All right, early in the morning, gonna get that Liberty Bell. Just kidding. Gonna fall down. You know how this works. Gonna fall up on this ground here and go back.
That bus just vanished.
Dude, it's the haunted bus. Oh, you know, I get to see the tape.
Huh?
Yeah, it's really hard though.
Of course. Oh my fucking god, are you kidding me?
Do you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I saw.
Here you go.
No fucking way. No fucking way.
Yes, wait.
That's impossible.
That's it.
Like, I can grind a ways, but
You gotta grind a long time.
that is inhuman.
Man, go on. Go. Right there.
That is fucking bullshit.
Yeah, it's right there.
That's impossible. It's not a taxi. That should kill you.
Okay, Julie.
I thought it was America.
Oh my god.
He's the best.
I think, yeah, I was gonna say that. I think he's the best character in South Park. I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I thought this was America!
Right.
No, you can go for stuff.
Oh, it's Liberty Bell.
Might as well go for that. Oh, Liberty Bell.
Three of them.
How much do you pay your student athletes?
Hey.
So you're telling me they work for free? Cartman's pretty good too. I don't know though. I feel like Randy just does more stuff.
Yeah. Randy does have his shit. It's just, oh my god.
Yeah. I think
This
really
burnout card is much bullshit. He is one of the main characters.
He's the main character. He's like one of the main characters. And then Randy's not, but he's slowly becoming one.
Right.
Because he always, in the last like 3 seasons, he's had like huge roles in all of them.
They keep giving him just special episodes too.
Yeah.
Fucking blockbuster.
Oh my
That
god.
was so good.
Stop! Stop right the movie! Stop! Stop! Or when his dad gets served.
Oh yeah.
Stop!
Got Bell.
You have to stop.
This is impossible. That is going to be fucking impossible.
What?
What?
What the?
It just became even more impossible. No!
I think you have to ollie over each thing.
Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding right now? Are you fucking joking with me?
That's Tony Hawk's sex tape. That's why.
No, the tape's up there.
Yeah, but that roundabout thing leads to that roof right there. Are you fucking with me? Oh, I'm Geoff! Geoff! Geoff!
That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Or some plastic minnows.
Dexter's dad was good too.
Yeah. Dexter's cooking. Oh shit, you got Scott. Get Scat Man.
I'm a scat man! Blah 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 blah. Beep bop boop. How the fuck did you get that?
Seriously.
It's just floating in the air. Fucking game.
Where's the bus? I'm done. There's a whole area over there.
Yep. Guess what?
This level's fucking impossible.
We're not getting E. Cause Dylan that up. Grinding stuff he wasn't supposed to grind.
Chicken.
Tell you what? I'm gonna kick your ass. Bobby! I was waiting for you to just...
Nope. The wall. Gotcha, bitch.
If you haven't seen Hunger Games by now, Rue does stuff.
my god. It's one of those fads, just like Twilight, it died out, and then died out too.
You know what's harder than Tony Hawk?
What?
Getting into the Overwatch beta.
Right?
There's only a few things harder than Tony Hawk, and that's definitely one of them. Or, sorry, should I say only watch beta? There was literally a thread on Reddit, and it was like, it's like the Omega Salt thread. And this one guy was like, I fucking own every Blizzard product! Well, I do this, and they don't even get me into the Overwatch beta! He's just so bad.
What the fuck?
And then someone posted a picture of Emperor Palpatine, and it's like, yes, let the salt grow. Oh my god. Damn
Kickflip, kickflip, kickflip.
Kickflip, kickflip, kick.
Oh my god, this game is so rage-inducing.
Are you drain the fountain?
Some stupid bullshit, probably. I had the pro score. Take my pick. No. Pro swimmer.
It's gotta be that. There's no other. Except knowing Tony Hawk's likeness, you know, there's
Water bad. Voice of like, oh, I don't know, it's just I'm serious. No, I'm dead serious. It was just like, this is, I was like, alright, this looks pretty, I can spank those real quick, they're gonna bust out a fast one.
Oh.
And then this lady's voice just like, nope, limp instantly, just gone.
Fuck this stupid.
It was just so like, it just killed everything. Just killed the mood.
Actually, picking her nose.
No, it was just her voice. Just
Oh, you guys are so intimidated by me.
I don't know what the oh, what the hell?
It's a bear and ass on it. I just want to leave it.
Dude, there's nothing. The stage.
What happened to just like grinding some obvious helicopter in the middle of some hangar to get the super tape instead of like grind all 50,000 power ledges?
Grind all the way around the power. Fuck, man.
I think when they added like the ability to get off the
Dude, why can't I make that?
like I can imagine E3, they're like, oh, this year at Tony Hawk, you'll be able to get off your board and climb ladders. And everyone was just like, what? Yeah!
Finally.
They actually listen.
Right. There goes all my speed. Joff? You know what, Joff?
fucking job. 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 Job, job, job.
I ain't get shit.
Job, job, job. Job is the man.
Job is
Going
trash.
to work. He's got his time.
He's got ambition. And one day he knows he will become supervisor.
Definitely not. That was smart.
I was thinking of that. Glenn.
Glenn is the man. Going to work. Got his time. He's got ambition. Something I forgot the rest. Or no, it's like Jeff is the man. Going to work. Got his time. He's got ambition. Knowing one day he just like I don't know. Supervisor. Oh my god, he got it. There's a train. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, this is from Tony Hawk 1. This is the skate park that was under the bridge. Cool things on these booties, and they're so cool and they're so long speed. Don't know why they're blue, she should get that checked. I think she's got zinc deficiency. We don't know, cause I'm not a doctor. I'm a pro skater man, skating along. And it's the eye of the skater. I can't freaking special ollie. I keep free, or not ollie, I'm sure. I keep freaking doing stupid fucking grabs. I hate that shit. Give me some cool stuff. I'm gonna jump out here and die on some pavement. Do some flips and fall on my face.
We're getting some more shit done this fucking session. It's not gonna end like this. It's not like this.
I think so, it is, man. I think we've come to that point where
Yeah. Yes.
Special K on the first try. Oh, Bart's serious. Oh, he's so serious. I don't know how
What the fuck was that, Joff?
I absolutely have no idea how he
Okay. Getting the teams, man. Wait, come on, Joff. Go. Turn the camera, please. There's some speed over here. This game, I see you smack up.
This game hates you more than him. He's in showers. Nice try, though.
Got the team.
Now you have 15 full seconds.
Get to Nexus. Oh, come on, man. Why didn't you wall me?
All I'm saying
Oh!
I was gonna say, if you don't get the 8, you have to be crazy.
Just try that. I don't know. I don't want to become genius because you lose like 99% of my friends.
99%.
Actually, I don't think you know. Like, as much as he says he's
You don't know. You don't know. Calling her a lovely little bear? You serious? Oh, I was gonna say, she's like a wildebeest.
no, she's fucking like Garbodor.
Lip trick the 4 skate park lips. I think I'm gonna do that.
Which ones are they?
There's lips.
Oh shit.
Black ones, white ones, big ones, small ones.
Concussion.
Yeah! 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 Yeah, flip. Jaw flip. Jaw flip. Jaw. Jaw flip. Jaw flip. I think this is one. Woo, baby. Here's another one. Jaw stop. Jaw go.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. 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 Good job, no. Alright, here we go.
230,000 points. Get that 6 score right here. 30 seconds. I think the game's telling me something.
Yeah, it's telling me to get back into the skate park. Get back in there, Jeff!
Where do you think you're going, boy?
Don't quit, Jeff! Heifer. I just want to like a special fucking manual. My name is
Getting that 6 score. Watch this right here. First try.
Please just get something so we can leave this godforsaken place. Like, I don't understand what anyone at Tony Hawk was thinking when they're like, let's make all of these fucking levels so bad. And fucking Tony Hawk's like, yeah, dude, there's like some fucking yarn right here, man. Let's get these all these stages out. Baby stuff, man, it's yarn. When you go like Tony Hawk was fucking You're just skate man and you hit that sweet rail and the only thing you can think of to explain it is yarn yarn.
Dude!
Just restart the line. It's just all bad. There's no yarn yarn anymore. There's no yarn yarn. Trying to shoot yarn yarn. Give me that. Give me that. Give me all that.
Oh my god! Just do what I tell you to do, Druff.
Siri is worse than Kagan's skills to make a competent Jedi character.
He had a decent character, it's just he kept getting fucked up.
Yeah. He lost a arm.
Yeah, he had 4.
No, he lost 2 arms and a leg and an eye. And then remember the Naruto campaign that you made that we only played a day of?
Oh,
He
God,
lost his fucking eye.
eye.
No, wait, actually no, he lost his arm and I lost my eye.
Yeah.
Because he tried to fight that thing in the woods.
What the fuck is this
Where
game
the fuck is
doing?
Dakota? Why can't Dakota just write a fucking campaign? His campaigns are good. Like, if anything, it was either you or him.
Yeah, that's all it was. You or him.
Because your guys' campaigns are actually hella good.
No, we're the only ones who would write campaigns. That's the difference.
Could you imagine anyone else other than Zach writing a campaign move?
Zach's never written one.
But he has a deep knowledge of D&D.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, well, that's what you guys do. We all be asshole dungeon masters. Wait,
Just read the books. What the fuck? Just get...
Bart's shirt about to come off. He's about to rip it off. Like every fighter. Do that a bunch more times.
Alright.
That's taking 30 seconds to get 60. Oh, come on!
No, I lost it.
That was such a good run. 63,030 seconds.
I can do better.
Help us, Obi-Wan. You're our only
No.
hope.
Fuck you, Obi-Wan. You abandoned us at the bridge. General Lee, he was there. He stuck it out to the end.
Obi-Wan's there. Change my underwear. You're getting hella greedy. You're getting hella greedy!
37,000, bitch. In 30 seconds. See, that's the skills we gotta bring back. Tapping into my old 9-year-old self.
I think you gotta beat off more to do that.
I don't know. Nothing comes out when you're that young.
But nothing comes out when you jerk your dick. There's a bunch of gibberish. I can't even finish it. That's how fucking funny that was. Nothing comes out when you jerk your dick. Just a bunch of gooey shit. Y'all motherfuckers act like y'all fucking.
It's all sticky.
You gotta mix that shit up.
Fucking blow. Oh, that 6-door.
Get to him! Get to him! What you gonna do, bitch knuckle? What you gonna do? Too much greed.
Whatever, I already got the 6-door.
Too much greed on the taco. Do we get to move on finally? Yay! Oh, fuck. Yes!
Alright. I think that'll be the end of this episode.
See ya!
Thanks for watching, guys.
Y'all have a nice day!
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, do that shit. Touch his little like button.